Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the number 5 from Number Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a short angled line. Then on the right side, let's draw a curve out. Then let's move over to the top left and let's draw another one across. And close it off at the end. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw a longer angle down. Now to continue drawing the mouth, let's draw a curve over. Another one in the same way. And then we're going to draw a larger curve out and down like this. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw the teeth. Let's start inside the mouth on the left and let's draw a small angled line. Another one going the other way. And then a thicker one going out to the right side. Now let's leave another gap and let's draw 2 more angled lines going down and in. And that's it for the mouth. Next let's hop up and let's draw the eyes on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw 2 curves going up. And then a curve across at the top. Now for the next eye, it's going to be on the right side and a little bit behind. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and over. And then curve it down at the end. Next let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw the pupils. In the left eye, let's draw a curved rectangle in the top corner here. And the same thing in the other eye, but in the top right. And then color both of the pupils in black. And lastly, inside each of the eyes at the bottom, let's draw 2 more smaller curves up. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's finish drawing the shape of the body. Underneath the line on the left, let's draw a curve in. Then underneath in the center, let's draw another curve down and over to the right side. Then on top of this line, let's draw a larger curve and a smaller one next to it. Now let's move down again and let's draw another curve down and over to the left. And then 2 curves underneath here. Now to continue the body, let's draw a wavy line out. And then let's curve it back down and over to the right side. And then 1 more curve to close off the body. Lastly, let's hop inside, and on the top left, next to the mouth, let's draw 3 small circles. And that's it for the number 5. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!